Welcome to Small Space Fitness, nice and easy, 15-minute workout. 5 moves, 1 minute each, 3 rotations. We're going to do high arm march, knee down push-ups, quadruped limb extensions, sit-up bridges, and forward lunges today. And we're about to start, and we're going to start with our high arm march. Raising our knees up, marching, and raising the opposite arm into the sky. This is a nice, easy warm-up move. You can really think about focusing on your core as you raise your knees up. You also feel a nice stretch along the side of your back, your latissimus muscles. Now, if you're new to body weight workouts or exercising in general, this is a great place to start. So we continue our high arm march. And all of these workouts are designed for small spaces. 10 seconds left on our high arm march. 5 seconds. Now we're going to move into our knee down push-ups. So this is an assisted push-up because our knees are down. So we're not putting all of our body weight on our chest muscles. So our knees are down and we are slowly lowering ourselves to the floor and pushing ourselves back up. A nice 1, 2, 3 count. Really focus on your chest, squeezing your chest together at the top of the push-up and pausing briefly at the bottom of the push-up. And you should be moving at your nice, own comfortable pace as we are halfway done. Seconds left on these assisted push-ups. 5 seconds. Now we're going to be staying on the floor for our next move. We're going to do something called a quadruped. So we're on our hands and knees, and we're going to be extending our opposite limbs forward. So here we're going to be extending our right arm forward and our left leg, and then we're going to switch. You might have to readjust yourself in your small space. So we are working our obliques, working our core, our back, our balance, and we're switching. So your left arm, right leg is extended, kind of like you're shooting yourself through space here, keeping yourself nice and straight like an arrow, and we're switching. Right arm, left leg, and we're down, and we're going to switch again. Extending and holding. Holding, and we're switching back to right arm, left leg. 5 seconds left. We're going to hold this, and now we're going to move to our backs for a sit-up into something called a bridge, which is a hip extension. So we're sitting up and then extending our hips, our pelvis into the air. All of these moves you can move at your own pace. Really making sure that when you start your sit-up, your back is flat on the ground. And depending on where your knees are, makes the sit-up more difficult. So if your knees are closer to your chest, the sit-up will be more challenging. If your knees are further and your legs are straighter, then the sit-up will be easier for you. 20 seconds left. Continue your sit-up and bridges. Doing well. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. And we're going to be standing up and doing our leg work here. So we're standing up and we're going to do forward lunges. So we're going to extend our leg and our opposite knee will be touching the ground as we lunge forward. Nice and slow, focusing on our stance, making sure that we're breathing, keeping ourselves upright. 10 seconds left on our forward lunges. You're doing great. Don't forget to be breathing. 5 seconds on round 1. And we're starting over now with our high arm march round 2. Seconds in, focus on your core, focus on your stance, focus on breathing, focus on stretching your arms up. Seconds left with our high arm march. Make sure this is a great time to focus on your breathing. 10 seconds. Really stretch your arms up, really bring your knees up. 5 seconds. And we're moving to the floor with our assisted knee push-ups. Please move at your own pace. You don't need to be looking at the screen. You want your head and neck in a neutral position. You don't want to be straining your neck. Focus on your chest muscles and counting 1, 2, 3 down and 1, 2, 3 up. All right, 16 seconds left on these push-ups. Hopefully you're really focusing on form, really going up and down at a nice slow pace. And 3 seconds. And we are in quadruped limb extension, starting with our left arm, right leg, extending them out as straight as possible, holding our form, keeping our core tight, switching to right arm, left leg. Really focus on keeping your body straight, and we're switching to left arm, right leg. Hold this, switching to right arm, left leg extension. So we are alternating, 30 seconds in. Focus on keeping your core tight, switching to our left arm, right leg. Focus on our breathing. Just look down at the floor, switching to right arm, left leg, extending. And switching back, left arm, right leg, extending. 10 seconds left on our quadrupes. And we're gonna finish with right arm, left leg, 30 seconds. And we're moving to our back for our sit up into bridge. So we're sitting up, doing our bridge, hip extension, sit up, bridge. This has become one of my favorite workout combinations, the sit up into bridge. So please move at your own pace. Remember that when you begin your sit up, your back should be flat on the floor. You should be breathing. Really pause at the top of the hip extension. 20 seconds left. You're doing a great job. Don't forget to breathe on these. 10 seconds. Okay, 5 seconds. Great work. Last one. And we're standing up for our forward lunges. So we're lunging forward. The non-lunging knee is gently tapping the ground. Don't let your non-lunging knee bash into the ground. We are taking our time, focusing on body control, breathing in and out. And we're 30 seconds into these forward lunges. Keep up the great work. 10 seconds left on the forward lunges. Nice lunge, nice deep lunge. And we're in third round, high arm march. So now we've done these rounds twice. You should be familiar with the moves. You know what they are. There's no surprises. We can really just focus on getting it done right on our journey to finding health and peace. Really extend your arms up there towards the sky. Really bring your knee up as high as you can. 30 seconds in. And try to put a lot of good energy into this move. It's a good time to focus on your breathing. Reach to the sky. All right, we're moving to the floor for our knee down assisted push-ups. Remember, a nice slow count to the floor and drive yourself up. Really feel this in your pectoral muscles, your triceps, your deltoids, and your knees are on the ground assisting you. At the top of the push-up, really try to squeeze your pectoral muscles together there. Try to bring your body as low as you can to the floor. Maybe your nose touches the floor. Don't bash your face into the floor. These are nice controlled movements. Nice controlled movements. 10 seconds left. Keep it up. Remember to inhale and exhale on the move. 5 seconds. And we're moving to the quadruped limb extension, so we're on our hands and knees. And we're going to start extending our right arm and our left leg. Kind of like an arrow shooting through the sky. We're holding that. And we're going to switch to left arm, right leg. Imagine you're flying through the sky. Right arm, left leg. You want to be as straight as possible on this. Switching to left arm, right leg. Holding this, switching to right arm, left leg, 20 seconds left. Switching to left arm, right leg. 10 seconds left. Don't forget to take nice deep breaths. Switching to right arm, left leg. We're going to finish it out on this. And it's time for our sit-up into bridges. A nice sit-up, and then a nice hip thrust that we hold at the top. Sit up, nice hip thrust. Move at your own pace. Focus on your core. Focus on your pelvis. "30 seconds left on our sit-ups and bridges." You know, this is a really nice, good, easy routine to start your day or to end your day. Maybe you don't feel like doing one of the more rigorous small space fitness workouts. Maybe you just want a nice, easy workout that's not gonna, wear your body down if you're already tired from a long day. 5 seconds left. And we're going to stand up for our last move. Our last move is our forward lunge. Really focusing here on our hamstrings. And some balance work here. Trying to keep ourselves upright as upright as possible as we do our forward lunges. We're breathing and we are not bashing the floor with our knee, gently touching the floor with our non-lunging knee. And you're bringing up the opposite arm on the lunge. Breathing. Breathing is so important. 20 seconds left. You're doing wonderful. You're almost done. Such a wonderful job. 10 seconds. Finish with these lunges. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, and we are finished. Good job. Now, if you really want, you could sit down and meditate. I have created a meditation soundtrack if you're interested. Otherwise, I look forward to seeing you again soon. Goodbye.